everywhere, everybody. Y'all seen when we are here. Y'all seen what is going on. I got my two portable chargers here, just in case my phone decides to cut a shit on me. But anyway, let me get out and show y'all the cars. Hold up, Nino. Let's go. Hold up, wait. We gotta get. Okay, yeah, we're recording. Hey, you're not supposed to be here. These are all LS2s.
LS2. All pretty good so far.
Damn, boy. I will.
That's 05.
05?
Oh,
For
yeah.
sale.
6 feet. I'll trade.
Damn. Hold up, man. We got my lineup is behind me, y'all. You know how I feel about the G8s. You know. Mr. Nino Jr. Oh, we got red seats in the inside. And it's a manual.
You know the dogs, Manny's all the way. I was red interior.
Exactly.
And he's only had 36 miles in this car.
Oh, this one got red interior too?
It's a manual too.
It's a manual too? Hell. Let me go see. This one got some awards and shit on it. I want to go see this one. How you doing? 6.6. That shit is crazy. That is crazy, dude.
That's beautiful.
1K cube. Damn, dude. Let's see. Border 3 catback exhaust. Cook's long tube headers. Trick flow 225cc. Head cams. Fast 102. I don't know what any of this shit mean, but I stop right here when I know from trick flow. You know, that's how my thing goes. Nino, what's up? You gonna get this hood for your car, man?
Yeah, I'm looking. I'm trying to see what's up. Oh my God, bro! We got a.
What the fuck is that? Am I still recording? Thank you. I woke up crazy this morning. I woke up very crazy. Oh, I need a thumbnail, but this ain't gonna be it. But this is clean. It's clean as. No. Yes. That's a pro charger. God damn, what the fuck are these boys on? Nino, how they shitting on you at your own meet? That's crazy. Dude, what the fuck?
They sound a little bit better when they got pro charger. We got the supercharger.
Yeah.
All we just need is the turbo. With the motherfucking turbo.
Yeah, boy. I'm dressed up out here like the fucking bandit. Ooh, a manual. Damn, boy.
How about that little tag?
What, this one? Who's the owner? Yeah, we're gonna look at this side before we actually get to the side. I really want to see, even though I'm already right here. Oh shit! I ain't even showed the pro charge. Damn.
That hole's so clean.
Damn, dude.
It's too clean, my guy.
That must be a pain in the ass to fix if it broke.
Right.
All right, fuck it. I'm gonna go ahead and show my side. All right, look.
They got a sunroof in this one.
Nino having orgasms right now.
Shut up.
All right, let me show you. I don't know if I've even said I wanted the G8 GT, but that blue is crucial. But I don't want no blue. GTs, man. It's one of them I really fucking want though, and cause I love the color. But I'm gonna get Nino's opinion on like the 3 colors, even though they're the same fucking color.
Oh,
this one, right?
I approve.
This one, but no, without paint corrections, whatever. I like exactly.
I like the wheels.
And that one.
Now, that cow hood carbon fiber looks pretty nice.
very sexy. I like. Oh, let's touch. Anybody looking? Damn, boy. And they come thick. What cars you know come this fucking thick, man? Oh, let me get my thumbnail.
I seen him at top 10. Yeah, I seen it. Bro, he's fast.
Am I even recording? I can't see shit on this phone. I hear some cammed over here. Oh yeah, it's him. It's him. It might be a ghost cam. It sounds. I hope I got it. Yo, this so loud. I fucks with it. And he's supposed to be fast. Let's see. Oh, something else is on over here. Damn. You wanna go out too? Is he forcefully jumping, or is that? Oh, it is. That was clean. Hold up, something else is turned on. I didn't even get to tell y'all the reason. But anyway, I feel like the G8, long story short, I feel like the G8 is well, I just feel like the G8 is the type of car that I want to see myself in. I like this type of car. This shit is clean. Or like oh, I think they're just moving it over. Alright, we're rolling. Alright.
This is my G8 GT. What's it called? I rap cars. This is my first rap. I know this is kind of bad, but like,
It's cool.
Yeah,
That guy's fucking loud right now. Yeah.
Yeah, this is like
What cam you got?
This is a Texas Speed Stage 3 cam.
Texas Speed stage 3. You don't got no fucking.
Man, I got no.
Oh shit! God damn! Hell yeah! Damn! Who the fuck is this? Y'all see this shit? Y'all fuck. That you? It's cam too? Hey. Oh shit, they're all turning the ball. Oh, big ooh. Yeah. And that's the ball. See this shit, bro? Damn, bitch. It's safe. It's safe. Hold up, it's safe. I know who I'm voting for. This shit is old. It's clean as fuck. God damn, boy. So, bro, first off, let's talk about the movie. I know y'all can't hear me. This shit is fucking loud. But it's 305 45 R17. That's because I'm looking right there, so I know. But yeah. ET and the G8. Hey, what's your Instagram?
Miguel_RNDS.
Miguel_RNDS. Alright, yeah, I got you. Where the fuck is Nino at? Where the fuck is Nino? Where is Nino? I'm about to yell his name. Oh shit. Oh, there he goes. Alright, who is Nino voting for?
I don't know. No G8 hoods open, all of them look the same so far. Like Ghost,
Yeah.
like Ghost, pretty much like that whole loud as hell, and it's choppy as fuck. I like it.
Ghost, you might win the G8s, man. I want him to open his hood. I want that motherfucker right there. Huh?
How are you going to do that? How we gonna hit the whole window?
True. I mean, at the same time, how do you take it off to check something under your hood?
Facts.
What car you like so far, man?
Nah,
Oh, let me go on this side with you.
We don't support skateboarding.
Yo, such a good doggy. I have a doggy. Yeah. Oh, you like to be itched, huh? Yeah, I can itch. I'm a good itcher. My dog say so myself. You know.
I'm looking at the wheels here.
Such a good dog. All right, doggy. Stay here to the votes. Go back with the guys. I think this is the top car here.
Bro.
Well, it's hard because you got that Corvette, you got this GTO, and you got this GTO.
Nah, this GTO take the bag. It's that I know, license and registration.
He wins. What is that shit says? Built, Novus, 690, paint, 811, AC. Why you got that there? And I think that's where he put his ice at. That little box there. Yeah, man. Pretty much cool. One of these gotta be a fucking thumbnail. Either him. Ooh, something smells really good. Him. Or yeah. Because they're like the hardest cars here so far. Oh, Nino Jr., where you at? Oh. It's a manual Trans Am. Not that big of a fan of a Trans Am, but I would get one. I would tell you that. Oh, no, that's one thing about the Trans Am I do like. The T-top. Elif. So yeah, basically here, man, we're just gonna wait. Last thing I expected was for this to be Cam. You support the cops? Okay. I don't know. Man, y'all should do a cruise.
Can't wait to get my coilovers.
Can't wait to get a car.
Man, you're looking at it.
I know. Oh, look, he got the little license plate that come on from under. Didn't peep that.
Illegal stuff.
Illegal.
Hey, we don't see nothing, right? You didn't see
Yeah,
nothing?
no?
Yeah, delete that.
Hey, Larry, where you at? Nah, Larry, that's where you at. That's where you need to be at. Not this blue, the red. The red, that green over there, kind of greenish, and this black. That's the worst thing when your car don't start at a car meet. And this is where the awkwardness come in.
My bad, bro. I'm just trying to take pictures.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Oh, wait. I'm just go over here. HTX SS. And it's SS. One day we're gonna do a video. Let us hear the whistle. Oh damn. Oh damn. Oh damn. Oh damn. This is his white GTO, man. What's done to this? 403 stroke.
Headers, exhaust, motor.
Oh, pretty loud then.
Yeah.
What's your Instagram?
My Instagram's _ERASMO.
ERASMO_. Okay. God. 747 Garage. Yeah, man. I'm gonna see if I can get these bitches to race. I'm about to talk shit.
GTO up more.
But it's just it bolt-ons or is
Hmm?
just bolt-ons?
Yeah, just bolt-ons.
I know a dude who said he can whoop you though.
95. Look at that. That shit tuck.
Mm. Hey, he's getting coilovers.
He's on coilover or something.
No, I'm talking about you.
Oh yeah, of course.
You gonna get a Wickle bill?
No.
A Wickle bill for your GTO? First I ever seen?
Shit, why not?
Exactly. Out here all this camming. I know I told you I was gonna get the Mustangs, but it wasn't meant to be. And look at them wheels on that SS
I'm going to
G8.
get that hoe, bro. I'm going to get that hoe. Trust.
The wheels or the G8?
The wheels on the G8.
Alright, bro.
Anything going down after this?
I'm not sure, man. I mean, it's a lot of meats.
Yeah. There's not a cruise or anything?
No, I mean, earlier.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
We gotta do a video soon.
Alright.
You got a Holly EF5s. Dude, what the fuck? That thing is clean. Oh, his wife got the car.
That's his husband.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. She went and grabbed the car for him. For the award. I thought it was her whose car it was, but it's the husband. She like, go up there, get that bitch. I don't feel like fucking with these people. Oh. Ain't he selling his car?
Let us fucking recognize that fucking name right there, ASAP. Recognize that shit ASAP. Fucking ASAP.
Hey man, you can't be doing that. Ooh, that turbo.
They came late.
Look at that GTO. Hellcat or Scat Pack? You think it's a Hellcat or a Scat Pack? It's not a Hellcat.
Mama told that boy to shake the city, so he ride on that Mac, it be a titty, show no pity when we dive in. Your buddy and the game before he hitting.
CCMG_nerd.
Let me
hear that. Let me hear that. Oh, lift up. That hoe hit.
Gucci on me, that be here to the top. I done bring it that low.